Welcome to Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSC online audio and video lessons. So students, today I am going to teach you chapter 7, that is the queries. So queries, forms and reports. In this video I am showing you what is queries. Okay, so go to access. You know how to go to access. So this is the way we are opening the access. You people will be having access maybe in Microsoft Office. Within Microsoft Office folder you will be finding the access folder. Okay, so now what is query? Let me first explain you what is query. Actually, query is the questions that you are asking DBMS about the information that is stored in the computer. Means when you are asking some query means questions, like if you are having a student table and from that only you need how many students have given the fees, that only, or how many students are studying in class 8, or suppose how many students are present on a specific date. So this type of queries, when you are asking some questions, you are asking and you are getting that answer, that is called queries. So this type of queries we can ask the DBMS to answer it. Okay, so first go to this, our already we have created this table, you know, na student SBM table. So click on this table. Yeah, for queries you need to make a table and you have to store some data in that table, then only you will be able to generate queries. Okay, so see, I am just deleting this queries. Okay, now this is the student table our, you know. Okay, now I will generate some queries. Can you see here? So for the query you are having two ways, two methods of creating a query. Whatever query you want you can create, you can have two methods, that is go to this create button. Can you see this create button? Go to this create button and in the create button you will be having two queries, query wizard and query design. Wizard means already it is done and you just want to just put the things in the fill in the spaces and you will be getting the answer. And design means you are designing by your own query, your blank form you will get and you have to design it. So that is called design and query wizard. So in this I am going to explain you about query wizard. Okay, query design is, let it be because it will be more hard for you. So we will be going with the query wizard. What is query wizard? Okay, click on this query wizard. Now see, oops, the above one, can you see simple query wizard? This we have to select, simple query wizard. Press OK, and once you press OK, this dialog box will open. Which field you want in your query? Which field means which one you want to see? Suppose I want to see this Aadhaar card given or no. So this is the field. If you click on this single arrow, one by one will go, and if you click on this double arrow, all these fields, all these 5 or 6 fields will go to here. Can you see it? All this. And again, if you want to move one by one, you can move it, or you can press this double button to move once all the field to this side. Now let me first take first name. Let this will be there, and Aadhaar card given or not, let me okay. Okay, now next, can you see here next? Yes, press next. Now show every field of every record, or you want a summary, what you want, summary option or details option. So summary option, if you select, in the summary option, see plus minus if you need, but we don't need, only count it, just count and give, press OK. Now see, let's see, Next, just open the query to view the information and finish. See, all these students name they are showing, and this of the students who have given their Aadhaar card can be seen here, 1, 2 and 3. There are 4 details and 3 has given. So this is how our queries are explained. So now you understand what is queries. So where you are creating questions, you are generating questions, and those answers your DBMS will give those answers. So that is called query. So again I am showing you, if you don't want to save it, just close it, and this one you just right click over it and delete it. Can you see it? Delete and press yes. Okay, so again I am showing you how to go to create query wizard. In the wizard, first one you have to, it is already selected, press OK, then first name, and let me now take the address one, and this address. Next, then finish. See, first name and address both are shown like this. Miss, we don't need to see the whole table. Depending upon the people who want to see only the name at the address column, they will be seen only the name at the address column. If anyone is needed only to find the fee details, they can find the fee detail. If anyone needs only to find the Aadhaar card details, they can find the Aadhaar card details. So that is why we are using the query wizards. So now you understand what is query. So again I am showing you, this is this, now it is created already. This one will be created and it will be saved. If you will close it, then also it will be kept here. You can check it whenever this query there, you can put here multiple queries and you can make the user to check it. Okay, so now you understand. And this query design also I am showing you how it happens. See, queries here, can you see the query, and then you can add anything if you want to add. And see, this first name's address has came. Now place it, close, and see here we have to select it, student query. Then like if you will tick this one, so there it will be coming. See, can you see it here? So this is how we are doing this designing. So designing is more a complicated one, so better you just go with the query wizard part. This way you have to run it. In the designing, now you have to run the thing. Now if you run it, then you can see it. Field 1 and field 2, can you see it? So this is why, how this query we have generated using the query design, and this query is generated using the query wizard. Okay, so now you understand how the design and this wizard works. Okay, now close this one. No, we don't want to save any changes. Okay, so hope you have understood this. So just go through this video.